going to be performing operations with polynomial functions, primarily multiplying them together. So we're going to take the first here and do FOIL method on it. 6x squared minus 10x, distribute the 2x, and then distribute the 1. And then combine like terms. So 6x squared minus 7x minus 5. For example 2, again, you cover up the 2, the plus 2, and distribute the x all the way through. X cubed plus 5x squared plus 8x. And then once you've distributed the x, you're going to distribute the 2 all the way through the parenthesis. Once you've done this, then you go ahead and combine like terms. So I have an x cubed, it's the only power 3 in the problem, 5x squared plus 2x squared, 8x plus 10x, and then a plus 16. Same idea for example 3, distribute the 4 all the way through. Then watch this, you're going to distribute the negative and the 2x all the way through. So negative 2x times x squared would be negative 2x cubed. Negative 2x times negative 3x, positive 6x. Negative 2x times positive 7, I forgot to put my squared up there. So negative times negative is positive 6, x times x squared. Negative 2x times positive 7, negative 14x. Then once again, combine like terms, and I'm going to write it in descending powers of x just so I can keep track of it a little bit better. Negative 2x cubed. I have a positive 4 and a positive 6, so that's positive 10x squared, minus 12 minus 14, and then plus 28. Example 4, you're going to distribute the square root of x through the parentheses. So square root of x times x. The x goes in front, so it's x times square root x. If they're both under radical symbols, like here we have this, then you can go ahead and multiply the x's together. So it's minus square root of x squared. All right. This one can be simplified. The square root of x squared is just x, it should be minus, to the 2 over 2 power. So it's just x to the 1 power. Right. The last one here, we have a mixture of radicals and fractional exponents. So I'm going to first change the inside parenthesis here to fractional exponents. It's a little easier to deal with that way. So the square root of x is x to the 1/2 power minus 1 over x to the 1/2 power. So if I distribute, you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. And over here, this is going to be minus x to the 3/2 over x to the 1/2. When you divide, you subtract the exponents. So that's going to be x to the 2 over 2, or x squared minus x.